to make it very easy, if you want to install Google Chrome, all you have to do is launch Microsoft Edge. And when you open up Edge, all you have to do is search up Google Chrome. Download. From here, you'll see this download option, and once you select Chrome download, there is a button right here that says download Chrome. You're going to select that, and then an exe will be downloaded. All you have to do is click on that, or you open up the downloads folder on your computer, and you'll have this Chrome setup application. So if you double click it and go through the process, it's going to go ahead and download it and then install it for you. It'll tell you exactly what step you're on. And just like that, you have Google Chrome installed already, and you can go ahead and use it for whatever you want.